Hi, this is Marieta Oslanec, founder of ImmigrationBiz, and in this video I want to discuss E2 versus E3 visa, and then I want to talk about details regarding E3 visa. But before I do so, I want to mention the difference between E2 and E3. These two types of visa are sort of in the same category, or it appears to be in the same category, because it's E-visa. Now, there is a big difference because E2 visa, as you already probably know if you are watching my videos, is visa type for investors, and only certain countries are eligible to apply for E2 visa, investor visa, and you can find out more information if you check previous videos that I did on this topic. What are the treaty countries? There is a specific video on this topic if you are interested. Now, in order to get E2, you have to invest substantial amount of capital, meaning you have to run your own business and not just run, but also manage your own business. If you're applying for E3 visa, which is completely different category, this category is for only people, nationals from Australia. So only Australians can apply for E3. And E3 visa are very, very, very similar to H1B. So if you are familiar with H1B, then you probably know the requirements. If not, I'm just going to mention briefly in this video, and then I'm going to do a next video, so stay tuned, where I'm going to talk about more details, what do you need if you want to apply for E3. Now, so if you are Australian national and you have acquired degree from college or university that is within certain field, and you can apply then for E3 because you meet the requirement of specialty knowledge. This is very important. So if you, for example, if you just graduate high school and you found a job in the US, you cannot get E3. So you have to have college or university degree, and it must be within specialty occupation. Then there are other advantages compared to H1B, because if you already know H1B, this is a sort of tricky category because there is a limit per year. Only 60,000 work visas are issued, and additional 20,000 are issued. So this is very tricky, because even though you found your US employer that is willing to sponsor it, and even though you hired immigration attorney that is filling out your application, and even though you took care of everything, and even though you file on time, because there is a deadline, within this deadline you have to file, then there is a still high chance that your visa application will not be selected and therefore will not be processed. Now, this problem isn't present if you are applying for E3. So you don't have to deal with this issue, because with E3 visa, usually there are still visas available. And another good thing is that you can apply in your home country. You can apply at the US consulate in your home country. So you don't have to go through the traditional filing at the USCIS within United States. That means it saves you time, and it saves you a lot of money, because the fee is significantly lower when you're applying at the US embassy in your home country. So this is the distinction between E2 investor visa and E3 work visa for people who belong to specialty occupation. If you have any questions, please leave them below, or you can email us at office@immigrationbiz.com. Thank you so much for watching.